Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is me and this is Alpha Female Trader. And as you see, right now I'm in the chart with the TIA cryptocurrency. Yesterday I entered the sell trade and I caught the target, and right now I'm using the same fractal geometry trading system and I entered the trade from this side, from this area. My target is here. After that, after finishing this up target, I will go back with the sell trade. Why? Because this area is the exact this one, and as you see in the map that I have, after that we have a sell side, and when I'm finishing the sell side I would go again with a long buy. Let me explain for you everything about this, how I get this copy from where, and what is the name of the system, how can you use it to get sure trades. I'm not talking about something not sure, I'm talking about something sure. I entered this trade last night from this area, a sell, and I was 100% sure that I will get the target. Why? Because I have the map here. I don't I don't need to know anything. I have the map here. If you see the similarity between this map, the drawing, I have the same thing here. I'm following the same drawing here. I'm following what the market is going to give me, and I know for sure he's going to give me this map. Already the market just started. If you notice, this area number 1 where I number it here, it's the same like this here, and after that I have, just a minute, look, this area is the same like this one. After that, what happened? If you see in the code here, the map I have, it tells me that the market is going up. It will break the previous top, and this is the exact thing happened. And if you notice here, higher high, we have the same higher high. Here, I entered a sell trade because already the map tells me that a down movement is going to happen. And then I didn't enter from here because it was a late time, I was sleeping, but now I enter from this side because from this area also I get another map, which is this one. Do you see the black movement, the black line here, this one, this movement? I get it from this side of rectangle where you see me. So this is the smaller picture, but already I have the big one. I know already that the market is going up, then down, then up again. I will explain for you everything, guys. Just stay with me, and please stay with me until the end of the video, and you will get the information. Okay. Right now, I'm in the minute time frame. I am in the minute time frame. I don't need to go anywhere else. I have, if you notice, I have a very specific movement. For example, I have 1, 2, and now the market is moving up. Okay, this movement I have to look for small, very small, very small movement, which is inside this place. Normally it's inside the first part, and let me show you how is that working here. For example, I'm going to, if I pick another one, which is this one, and I just put it here, I know that the movement, I know that right now where I am, I know there will be a big up movement for me. Why? Because I took this movement from inside. And when I get to this area, I did the same. This area is not clean like the previous one, but you just take this. Look here, what I'm going to do. This area, I take this one, and I take it from the beginning to the end. Look how much is the similarity that we have. I mean, you can go for a buy for sure because you know the route. Look, guys, maybe when you see me doing this, it looks easy, but it's not this easy. You need to practice. You need to know where is the locations of the copies, where are they, because it's not that easy. I stayed for more than 1 year practicing and studying the science right now and profitable. What I want to say is that uh, what else you use in the trading, it gives you something not sure. I mean, it will say you have to wait for the trending line to break, and then you go for a buy, or the opposite, you go for the sell. You have to draw a supply and demand, and you have to wait for the market to retrace, and you go for a sell. But in this type of systems, in this type of trading strategy, you don't need to wait. You just know the exact wall. For example, right now, maybe if you are using supply and demand, you will wait for retracement. You will right now, and you go for a sell again. Okay, but to me, no. I'm on a buy trade because for sure I know the exact movement. Look, I will show you something. Look here what we have. Look to this movement. I have the same thing. And this candle, it's something we study in the fractal geometry, and we can solve this. It's not a problem because already I enter from here. I know that market is going up. After that, what is going to happen is up movement. There is no retracement from this area. It's gonna move up, and this is for sure. So this is the good thing about the system, that you will enter a trade and there is no fear, there is no something it keeps you feeling bad because you're not sure from your trade. It's not like this. So guys, this system is one of the best systems ever. You need to study it for to get. Look here what we have. It's something wow. Anyway, this is for today. See you next week.